Hi, I'm Johnny Smith from Thorpes Physiotherapy, and in this short video today I'm going to talk a little bit about the most common problem at the elbow, which is tennis elbow. Tennis elbow is pain around the outside of the elbow, which can travel down your forearm. It's more common in more middle-aged people, and typically after we've been doing a bit more activity or exercise or unaccustomed activity than normal. As we get a little bit older, the consistency of our tendon, which a tendon is where attaches the muscle to a bone, changes. So when we're very young, we can do things and not be too aware of it. When we get a bit older, problems can arise. So just briefly, with the forearm, the muscles on the inside, when they tighten, it pulls the wrist down, and the muscles at the back, when they tighten, they pull the wrist back up. So when we're gripping, we need a balance between the two. Now what tends to happen with everyday activities, because we use our grip a lot more, the muscles in the forearm here can become over-dominant and stronger than these ones. And that can create a bit of an imbalance, which puts too much strain on the outside part of the elbow. So if you've then been doing a full day of gardening or DIY, you can overload these tendons, and that causes the pain. Now if you've had this really flared up recently, you want to reduce the load, reduce the activity that you're doing, put some ice on there and maybe wear a little bit of a strap around the forearms to take some of the load off the tendons. But one of the main important things of treating this, as mentioned earlier with an imbalance, is to strengthen these muscles. And on a future video I'll show you some good exercises to strengthen this. One top tip: if you've got tennis elbow, you often don't like having your elbow straight, palm down and lifting. So if you have your elbow bent and palm up, you can often carry a lot of weight, stretch your arm out to pick up a cup of tea, and that can be really painful. So if you do have tennis elbow, whilst it's trying to heal, bend the elbow, lift the palm up when you're carrying things. Hope that's helpful. Thanks.